This is Oscar Rodriguez from La Maison River Oaks. This is another tip of the day. Today we're going to go over how to replace your AC filter, which is normally located in the utility closet area. So your air handler is right here. This will be your air handler. This is your filter. So it's real easy. You just come in, kind of put your hand over it, push it a little bit at the bottom so it can come out. And it comes out. Of course, you always want to check that you have the same size filter. Like in this case, it's a 16 by 20 by 1. And I have the new one here, 16, 20 by 1. And it also shows you which way it should be installed, which it has a little arrow. The arrow has to be pointed towards your air handler. And it's recommended that you replace it at least every 30 days on your general AC filters. Your pleated filters, I think, is 6 months. It'll last longer on your pleated filters, but your generic filters is every 30 days. So you do the same thing. Come up on your air handler and slide it in, push it down, guide it, make sure it goes all the way in, and that's pretty much it. I'm Oscar Rodriguez from La Maison River Oaks. This was another maintenance tip of the day.